So we are back to our landing page and we're just gonna have to see if we can make it pass the grunt test. So I also need to add some text, I guess, and I'm going to change the text color right here to #ed, which is not perfectly white. That would be 6 times F. It's got a little bit of red and black in it, as you can see here. All right, and now I'm going to just click into the text area, go on content, and under text, I press Ctrl A to highlight everything. I make a right click on the highlighted area and I paste as plain text. Now we click across. And it just seems to take a moment. Still doesn't want me to show. Now it's gone. God knows what happened. So we just repeat this. Control V for pasting. Here we go. And we said to pass that grunt test, from StoryBrand, we have to pass 3 questions. What do we offer? How to make the customer's life better? And what do they have to do to buy? Well, on my website, actually, there's only a lead magnet because they can't buy anything. They can join our free summit. That's a lead magnet. And now we have to split up my text because we need a headline. I need to copy this actually in here, or rather cut it out. And I use this as the header. So I click on this, go on content, Control A, Control V for what we just cut to paste it in. And one rule is not to have too much writing, and this is already way too much. But I worked on this for weeks and I just can't get it right. It's as good as it gets. This writing of my text below the header, I want to be under style. I want it to be centered. And now it didn't allow me. Here we go. It's 2 lines now. But it doesn't want to stay this way. And I've just decided to take one more row from my text into the header. See what that's going to look like. So you can see there's some problem. It reads, feel empowered no matter what life throws at you. We ensure you learn how to breathe to never feel helpless again. Watch interviews with breathing experts because it's the first of 3 steps to your empowerment. So the first question for the grunt test we have to ask is, what do we offer? It says, we ensure you learn how to breathe. But that doesn't actually say how. You don't know if it's going to be by emails or what it's going to be. So it's not really what you consider concise. And it is a lot of words, but it is as good as I could get it after a long time. And it's better to get it done and execute than not to do it at all.